My name is Amrik Badra.
My name is Harshita Thorai.
My name is Shiva Sayyar.
I am Shivam Pokarkar.
My name is Varun. And here we are presenting our civil prototype product, which is a table. So let's begin.
So today I am going to introduce to our viewers about our college central workshop, that is the F wing of MIT Academy of Engineering College. Let's go in and check it out what we can see inside it. So as we can see a lot of machineries that are provided here for all the mechanical and the civil students. They can use these machineries to create their wonderful application projects in their second year, third year and the final year. So continuing further, including these machineries, we can also see some classrooms in which some lectures are conducted regarding the civil or the mechanical or the instrument explanation, etc. So as we can see, this is minor offices and some special equipment which are only allowed for some projects. This is the laser cutting shop or the project lab, as we can see. So further continuing in our video, we can also see that there are various other machineries for cutting various plywood, etc. So here a welding project is going on the metal sheet, and further on the tables we can use these tables to hold the different materials and cut them as we need. Further upon going, this is the carpenter shop where all the plywood or the civil projects are being held. So here is the showroom where we can take the required tools needed for all our the projects. And going inside, there are also many other tools and equipment that is needed for many other projects as we go. So this is the entire F wing, as you can see, and this is the amazing world for the mechanical and the civil students.
So let's first discuss about the basics of the bamboo. Bamboo is a type of grass which belongs to the family Poaceae. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants which is found on the earth, with some species which can grow up to a height of 3 feet, which is nearly about 1 meter per day. There are over 1400 species of the bamboo which can be found in different parts of the world, like in Asia, America, Africa, etc. It has typically hollow and segmented stems called cones. It is also known as nodes. Like you can see that this is the hollow part and this is the node. Bamboo leaves are typically long and narrow, which resembles to the grass leaves. The plant is known for its strength and durability. Bamboo is classified into two main groups, the running bamboo and the clumping bamboo. Running bamboos are those which can spread rapidly and can form dense grooves, whereas the clumping bamboos are less invasive and can be controlled. Bamboo can be used for many purposes. For example, it can be used for construction. You have seen many of the places where the bamboos are used for making the buildings or structures. Then it is also used for food like shoots and leaves, the paper and pulp, fabric, biofuels, musical instruments, craft materials, ornamental plants and many other things. Now let's discuss some environmental benefits of bamboo. Bamboo is a sustainable resource. It grows quickly and can be harvested without harming the environment. Bamboo is also known as the carbon sink, which means that it absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It absorbs carbon dioxide during its rapid growth. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide, water and sunlight to produce oxygen and glucose, a form of sugar, which the plant uses as energy. Bamboo helps to prevent soil erosion and improve water quality. Let's see some additional facts about bamboo. Like bamboo is stronger than steel in some cases. One of the remarkable examples of bamboo strength can be seen in construction industry. In some parts of the world, bamboo is used as a reinforcing material in concrete structures. When the bamboo fibers are woven together and combined with the concrete, they create a composite material that is both strong and flexible. This composite material is known as the bamboo reinforced concrete. Bamboo is also fire resistant. It is lightweight and durable. Bamboo is biodegradable too. So let's explore the application of bamboo in detail, taking one example, like it is in front of you right now. And what's that? It's that use of bamboo for making furnitures. Like you can make tables, chairs, ladders, or anything else. For example, we have made this study table for different stages of people, like right from the children to the working professionals.
So today we are going to talk about the different aspects of the bamboo which was discussed in our previous classes of civil prototyping. So we were discussed about various kinds of joint in bamboo, but the main important joint which was discussed was the fish mouth joint. So it was told us to that in the fish mouth joint we take two parts of bamboo. That is, one is the vertical part, one is the horizontal part, and one is the vertical part. So in the horizontal part, what we do is we create a hole in which our key main component, that is the key, which is going to attach the horizontal and the vertical portion, is going to be fitted in that hole. Then we take a horizontal part of the bamboo and we make a cut which resembles the fish's mouth. Hence this joint is known as the fish mouth joint. So after making a fish mouth joint here, we will connect that onto the vertical horizontal portion of the bamboo, so as that this fish mouth only covers it by approximately 180 degrees to the horizontal bamboo. Now to make this joint permanent, we use a key which is approximately little larger than the hole made on the horizontal part of the bamboo. Then after joining that key component onto the horizontal part, the vertical part is attached upon it. Since it is a hard joint, but it is not that sturdy, so to make it more stable, we use more number of keys in the vertical part like this, and we make it more stronger. Like this, many more kind of joints were discussed, but we found out that this joint was the most efficient and most strongest of all the joints. So now we are going to talk about another point related to bamboo, that is the most important one, that is the pre-testing of bamboo. Pre-testing of bamboo are the series of tests made on bamboo to know its properties and suitability for a particular application of the product which we are going to make. These tests are really important because it gives us all the information regarding the bamboo which we are going to use for our product and give its properties which is currently present. So pre-test of bamboo can include the following. First is the moisture content of any bamboo. Before using it for any application, the moisture content of the bamboo must be between 12 to 15%. More the moisture in the bamboo it is, then it is more susceptible to the molds and it can get rot. But even less moisture can harm the bamboo because it can make the bamboo more brittle. After that, if we talk about the density of the bamboo, the more the denser the bamboo is, much more it is stronger. But to work with such type of bamboos is really difficult because it is very highly thick on this kind of portions. So in the next test, we are going to talk about the strength test of any kind of bamboo. As we all know, bamboo is a highly durable material and it is really having a high tensile force and compressive force also. But if we look upon its shear force, it is very weak. So by conducting the strength test on a bamboo, we can know about its strength points and the defects present in any bamboo. Last but not the least, if we are going to talk about its fire resistivity, although being a plant-based material, it is highly fire resistive, and knowing its fire resistivity can help us to make such products which will be fire resistant. Along with its all properties, there are other properties such as acoustic performance, thermal insulations, and the sound absorption properties, which are more rediscovered by the scientists and can be used in many other applications.
So now let's talk about our product. So we have used a material from nature, that is bamboo, to make our product. So as we all know, bamboo is highly durable of all the plant kingdom. So we have made one of the application from bamboo, that is a versatile table, which consists of a pen holder and a book stand. So now firstly talking about the base or the frame of our product. So we have taken a long bamboo, we have divided it into 4 parts. 2 parts, they were of the same length, from which we have made length, and the 2 parts, from the 2 parts we have made the breadth. Then we have done C cut, and then we have joined all the 4 bamboos from the corners using nuts and bolts, long nuts and bolts. And from that we made the base of our product. Then for making this type of bamboos, we have taken 11 bamboos like this of equal length, and then we have divided that bamboo using chisel, and we got parts like this. And then we have taken 2 plywoods, small plywoods, and we have taken small nails, and we have joined all these 11 bamboos using this plywood and nails in a row. Then for making this book stand, we have taken 3 plywoods, and similarly with the help of nuts we have attached it with our base. Then for making the pen holder, we have taken a bamboo which was hollow from one side, and then to make it attractive, we have given it a different cut. Then to make our product, it can be used as a stand. So we have taken 2 bamboos, we have divided it into 4 parts of equal length, and we have attached it to the base of our product. And to make it even stronger, we have added 2 plywoods at the both sides of our product. So now let's talk about the dimension of our product. So the length of the frame is 72, the breadth is 46 centimeter, and the pen holder which we have made, it is of 20 centimeter length. Then we have taken 3 plywood in a rectangular shape with length 26 and breadth 60, and the stand, it is of 25 centimeter, which is comfortable for every individual. So overall, our product, our table, it is perfect for children as well as the professional people.
And I am here to provide you with more detailed insight into building and costing process of our bamboo study table in civil prototyping project. Our project began with the conscious choice of bamboo as our primary material. We used 8.2 meters of bamboo, each meter priced at rupees 20, totaling 164 rupees. This bamboo was meticulously selected, ensuring its quality and sustainability, setting the foundation for our eco-friendly study table. Moving on to the nuts and bolts and washers, seemingly minor components, but crucial for the stability of our study table. We sold screws, nuts, and nails totaling rupees 41.25, rupees 30, and 11 respectively. Each piece underwent careful inspection to meet our standards for strength and reliability. These components may go unnoticed, but they play a very vital role in ensuring the durability of our final product. In our workshop, operated entirely by us, the students, our machinery, including the chop saw, hand drills, hammer, chisels, and testing machines, we utilize them very efficiently. The cost of machinery reflecting the technical skills we acquired as invaluable. Electricity as a fundamental resource we manage judiciously, and we consume 15 units at rupees 8 per unit, totaling 105 rupees. Every unit of electricity was utilized purposefully, demonstrating our commitment to both functionality and sustainability. When we tally up this cost, bamboo, hardware, machinery, and electricity, our total expenditure for the bamboo study table amounted to be 1,161 rupees. This figure encapsulates not just our expenses but also the dedication, hard work, and meticulous planning that we as a student invested in every aspect of this project. It stands as evidence of our commitment to making environmentally conscious choice practical, achievable, and affordable. Our bamboo study table embodies the essence of mindful creation. It's more than just a furniture, it is a symbol of our spirit, where the innovation converges with sustainability and where every choice we as a student make contributes to greener future.
So today I want to showcase my journey and problems that we have faced during the manufacturing of our bamboo study table. To make it more aesthetic and good stable, we have used the good qualities of bamboos, and selecting the bamboo is the very first and crucial task. For this, we have found that some of the bamboos in our workshops are not quite good, but we have sorted those bamboos, a good quality one, and we have selected those bamboos for manufacturing our bamboo table. The second most important problem that we faced was while cutting the bamboos into the two different pieces, we found that while applying the nuts or the nails, the bamboos are actually cracking and breaking into the two pieces, which was a big problem. But after using the fine objects and fine drilling machines, we found that those problems were sorted. The third most important problem was while joining the two bamboo parts, especially the legs and the floor, we found that it was quite hard to join those points. So we have used a C-shaped joint, which is a sturdy joint, which was further attached with a nut and bolt, which makes it sturdy and stable. The fourth most important point was the legs of our table are short and the floor was heavy, so which makes the overall hard for the floor to get stable on the horizontal surface. So to make it more sturdy and stable, we have used the extra additional plywoods on the leg of our study table to make it more stable and sturdy. The fifth most important problem was after cutting the bamboo pieces, we have found the edges of the bamboos were sharp, which is not a good thing because the bamboo table should be a great user friendly. So we have applied a sandpaper over the edges of every bamboo so that it will be helpful for the users to use it. The sixth most important problem of our prototype was making the floor of our table. As we have found that for making the floor, we have bisected bamboo into the two parts and we have joined in here. So we have found that it was quite hard to join directly a nail from these parts to directly to the basement part. So we have applied an external wooden plate on the top of our table floor so that it can be sturdy and it can be aligned every day. And the seventh most important problem is that this external floor assembly is attached with our legs of the table through a two-bolt system, which are actually attached to an vertically opposite corners in here as well as in this part. So it makes the table sturdy. So in conclusion, I must say that from starting our journey from the pieces of bamboos to the aesthetic wooden bamboo table, I must say that we have gone through the lots of things and techniques. We have used the precision tools for making C-shaped curves. We have used the sandpapers to make the curves sharp so that it can be good for the users as well. And we have also added some of the different functions like the pen stand as well as the bookshelves over here so that it can be very helpful to the other users to use our table. Thank you.